quack, the ducklings play, waddling softly all through the day. Down to the pond they march in a row, splashing their feet where the lilies grow.
Mama duck calls,
"Come this way!"
tiny ducks follow without delay.
One slips, one slides, one gives a cheer.
Water's cool and fun is here.
Quack, 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 they flap their wings. Ripples dance and the robin sings. They dip their beaks and blow some bubbles, laughing loud with giggles and cuddles. Across the pond they float so bright, feathers shining in golden light. They chase the fish, they spin and glide,
happy and safe by Mama's side.
Quack, 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 the sun sinks low, soft winds whisper and waters glow. Mama duck hums a bedtime tune as stars peek out and kiss the moon.
Snuggle close, my ducklings dear,
dream of the pond so calm and clear.
Tomorrow again with morning